Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is causes of asthma and its treatment. So let's start. Asthma is a common lung disease that makes breathing difficult. It occurs when the airways become swollen and narrow, leading to symptoms such as wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Various factors can trigger asthma attacks, and understanding these causes is essential for effective management. One of main cause of asthma is exposure to allergies like dust, pollen, mold, and pet fur. Air pollution, including smoke and strong chemical smells, can also worsen asthma symptoms. Cold or dry air is another trigger as it can irritate the airways. Some people experience asthma attacks after physical activities such as running or exercising. Additionally, respiratory infections, including cold and flu, can make asthma symptoms worse. Emotional stress, laughter, or crying can also affect breathing in people with asthma. Certain medications like aspirin may trigger symptoms in some individuals. Genetics play a role as well. If a person's parents have asthma, they are more likely to develop it too. Sudden changes in weather, such as temperature or humidity shifts, can also act as triggers. Lastly, smoking or exposure to secondhand smoke significantly increases the risk of asthma. The treatment of asthma focuses on managing symptoms and preventing attacks. The most common treatment is the use of inhalers, which help open up the airways. Controller medications help reduce swelling in the airways and prevent future asthma attacks, while quick relief medications are used during an attack to improve breathing. Avoiding known triggers such as dust, smoke, and strong smells is an important step in controlling asthma. Using a humidifier can help keep the air moist and reduce airway irritation. Engaging in light exercise like walking or yoga may strengthen the lung, and maintaining a healthy diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and water can reduce inflammation. Breathing exercises can also help improve lung function. For those whose asthma is triggered by allergies, doctors may recommend allergy treatments like shots or medications. Regular checkups with a doctor are essential to ensure proper asthma management. Asthma can be controlled with the right treatment and lifestyle changes. People with asthma should always carry their inhaler and take precautions to avoid triggers. With proper care, they can lead a normal and active life.